Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the expression negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 minus 2 times x squared minus 2x minus 1. So writing this out right here, what we want to do is we want to get it into a simplified form where we have an x squared term, an x term, and a constant. We're going to do that by adding like terms. And then we want to see if we have it in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are representing the constants. What is the value of b? So b is the coefficient of the x term. So that's what we're going to be looking for at the end, the coefficient of the x term. So for this first parentheses, there's no coefficient in front, except an unwritten 1. So we don't have to do anything to that. We just write it as it is, drop the parentheses. But here we have to multiply each of these terms by the negative 2. So this is going to be negative 2x squared minus 2 times negative 2 is positive 4x, and then negative 2 times negative 1 is plus 2. Now we are combining like terms, so for x squared we have negative 3 of it minus another 2 of it, so that ends up being negative 5 of it, which is x squared, plus 5x plus 4x, so we have 5 of it plus 4 of it is plus 9 of it, and then minus 2 plus 2 is going to be plus 0, which we don't even have to write. Or we will, because we want to get it into the form ax squared plus bx plus c. And again, we are looking for b, which is the coefficient of the x term, which we can see here is 9. So what is the value of b? Given these terms, b is equal to 9 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.